Hey, everyone, welcome back to Manuals Plus. Today, we're elaborating the complete usage of Currys CFTE60W17 freestanding twin-cavity electric cooker. Let's get started. Inside the box. The main unit. Grill rack. Grill pan. Grill pan handle. Oven shelf. Stability bracket. Product overview. Front view. Hob. Control panel. Grill tray. Grill door. Grill door handle. Oven shelf. Main oven door. Adjustable feet. Top view. Small hot plate. Large hot plate. Control panel. Grill control. Oven control. Ceramic heater controls. Grill indicator lamp. Oven indicator lamp. Hob indicator lamp. First time use of the hob. Operate your hot plate hobs at level 6 for 5 minutes. This will remove any manufacturing residues. There may be a small amount of smoke and a slight odor. This is normal and will stop after a few minutes. Using your hob. Rotate the control to the heat level you wish to use for the selected cooking zone. When the hob indicator lamp illuminates above the controls, this means that one or more of the hobs are switched on. When you are finished cooking, rotate the control back to the 0 position, the hob indicator lamp will turn off. The cooking zones will remain hot for some time. First time use of the oven. Ensure that nothing has been left in the oven. Remove any insert cards or plastic bags. Before connecting the power, use a damp cloth to carefully wipe the inner cavity wall and housing. Clean all the detachable parts in hot, soapy water before using. Heat the oven on maximum for 45 minutes. There may be a little smoke and odor upon initial startup. This is normal. It is due to the protective substance on the heating elements which protects the cooker from the effects of corrosion during shipping from the factory. Using the oven. On the wall of the inner cavity, there are 5 different rack guide slots. You can place the rack at different heights to achieve the best cooking performance depending on the heat of the heating element and the size of the food. It is recommended to preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Always monitor the food during operation to ensure that you are not overcooking it. For heavy food, use a baking pan rather than the oven shelf. During cooking, do not open the door unnecessarily as you will lose heat and your cooking cooking times will be longer and energy use will be higher. Using cake tins when cooking cakes will give better results. Replacing the anti-tilting oven shelf. Insert the shelf at an angle with the vertical section to the rear to clear the stops at either side of the guide slot. Once past this stop, the shelf can be placed level again. To remove, completely angle the shelf upward so the shelf stop is cleared from the guide stop. Using the oven control. Using the grill. Before using the grill for the first time, heat the grill on maximum for 15 to 20 minutes. There may be a little smoke and odor upon initial startup. This is normal. It is due to the protective substance on the heating elements which protects the cooker from the effects of corrosion during shipping from the factory. Place an oven shelf in either guide slot 1 or 2 position. There must be at least 30 mm between the food and the element. Using the handle, insert the grill rack and tray onto the shelf in guide slot 1 or 2. The food to be cooked must be placed on the grill rack in the grill tray. The handle can be removed once the grill rack tray is in position. Check the food regularly to ensure you do not overcook it. The grill pan has a detachable handle. Ensure when using the grill pan handle that it is centralized and secure. Preheat the grill element for approximately 5 to 10 minutes before cooking the food. Ensure a minimum distance of 30 mm exists between the food and the elements. If necessary, use a lower guide slot. Check the food regularly to ensure you do not overcook the food. If slower cooking is required, use a lower guide slot or lower grill setting. Product fiche and specifications. Installation. The cooker must be installed by a competent person and in compliance with local electrical, safety and building regulation standards. If in doubt, consult a qualified technician. If the cooker is installed adjacent to furniture which is higher than the hob, a gap of at least 100 mm must be left between the side of the cooker and the furniture unless non-combustible materials are used, which then allows this distance to be reduced to 20 mm. The furniture walls adjacent to the cooker must be made of heat-resistant material. The veneered synthetic material and the glue used must be resistant to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius in order to avoid ungluing or deformations. The cooker may be located in a kitchen or diner or bed sitting room, but not in a room containing a bath or shower. Flammable materials such as curtains, wood, wallpaper, etc. must not be fitted immediately behind the appliance or within 500 mm of the sides. Do not place next to a refrigerator. This cooker must not be placed on a pedestal or base. It is essential that the cooker is positioned as stated or freestanding, taking into account the distances of any combustible materials detailed above. Any cooker hoods must be installed according to the requirements of the cooker hood instruction or installation manual, but no less than 650 mm. Any cupboards placed directly above the cooker must be no less than 700 mm. Adjusting the feet. The stability bracket can be used as a tool to adjust the leveling legs. Moving the cooker. Stability bracket. The supplied stability bracket or a recognized cooker stability device must be fitted. Fix the stability bracket to the floor using the supplied raw plug and screw. Thanks for tuning in with Manuals Plus today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Catch you in the next video.